Meme coins are starting to pump again, but Dogecoin is lagging. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a look at Dogecoin as some interesting things are happening in the market. The meme coin market is slowly starting to heat up. We're seeing Solana heat up as well, but Dogecoin is lagging behind. We have a bunch of different articles, news, and technical analysis we're going to take a look at in this video. But before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to reach your 2024 crypto goals. Just jumping straight into things, guys. Let me know what's your top position right now in the comment section below. Let's get the whole community involved. So we can see overall crypto market, we're starting to see a little bit of green. Even though last week everything 1 week is in the red, literally almost everything, which is crazy. But in the past 24 hours, we are seeing green across the board. Solana up 4%, even Bitcoin up 2%, and almost breaking back to 60,000 range. ETH almost come back to 3,000 range. We see in terms of fear and greed index, we're currently sitting at a 47, which is terrible because we're actually slowly creeping into fear. We've been dancing around greed and extreme greed for the past couple months now, so it looks like people have been selling. However, especially in the meme coin market, we covered this in the last video for the Pepe video, whales are starting to re-enter the meme coin mix, meaning they see something. There's actually savvy whale, which we covered in the Pepe video, where he exited Pepe right before it crashes, and boom, he bought back in another massive bag. So again, if the savvy investors are seeing what's going on, there must be something out here. The reason why I want to highlight Dogecoin today is obviously it's #1 meme coin, but also it's down 14% on the week. Yes, it is up 3% on the 24-hour, but there's still some gains to be made here. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a deep dive on Pepe. Dogecoin currently sitting at $19.07 billion market cap, up 3% on the day. In terms of week, we're down a whopping 13%. In terms of the month, we're down a whopping 27%. So anyone who doesn't have a bag, this could be an optimal time to load up. Because remember, if Dogecoin rallies this bull run, which is very likely it will, especially with Elon behind Dogecoin, right? If you buy it now at 13 cents, we're talking about early 2021 prices, right? Before the whole SNL. So in theory, if you bought it now at 13 cents and Dogecoin rallies up all the way to $1, you'd be making a pretty handsome bag. So again, obviously none of this is financial advice, but you might want to load up. Talking about loading up, you might want to load up on DogeVerse. DogeVerse, what's DogeVerse? The world's first chain traveling Doge. So it's a Doge that has gone multi-chain. They have raised over $13 million, which is absolutely insane in the past month or so. It hasn't even launched yet. This one easily could be a 100x gem. We're talking about $100 million market cap easily for this project because it is growing like crazy. So what is DogeVerse? Doge goes multi-chain. You can buy and claim DogeVerse at any of the following chains: ETH, Binance, Polygon, AVAX, Coinbase, and also Solana. I guess this is base chain, not Coinbase. So the insane part is it's multi-chain, and not only that is it a multi-chain token, they took DogeVerse, which is obviously a very big meme. They take a multi-chain token to add utility and make it unique from the rest of the crowd. And now you also throw in staking because yes, you can earn passive income on this project, which is absolutely insane. So multi-bridge utility, they have a solid roadmap in place with 5 simple phases, great tokenomics, everything on this project is clean. Not only is the project so clean, they are building a massive community with over 12,000 followers. Very exciting. Whoa, what's this Doge doing over here? You know, just exciting, engage with the community. That's what we want to see in a meme coin. Remember, the main thing about these meme coins is how well of a community, how well could they connect with the community. The bigger the community, the bigger the project will eventually get post launch. So again, very, very bullish on Dogeverse. You definitely want to load up a bag. Now, in terms of Dogecoin, yeah, still very bullish on Dogecoin as well. Top 3 meme coins: Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Bonk. Which again, yeah, they are the top 3 meme coins. Dogecoin price forecast up, setting up for a 20-cent rebound. Over $500 million in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Dogecoin. Other coins have been liquidated as BTC crashes below 58K. Again, the reason I want to highlight this is there's going to be fun in the market. Yes, a lot of money was liquidated in the past 24 hours, but also if you look at it now, we are seeing the volume pump as well. Okay, 2 most popular meme assets, Dogecoin and Pepe, were liquidated around 13 million for Doge and 6 million for Pepe, which is absolutely insane. But again, looks like we are going to make some recoveries very, very soon. And then Dogecoin urgent information issued, what pertains to. So Dogecoin holders receive a recent urgent information as Doge Chain, a popular Dogecoin explorer, announced the shutdown of its wallet service. Doge Chain, a Doge explorer since 2013, has long served the Dogecoin community, allowing users to search Dogecoin network for address, transactions, and blocks, including Dogecoin wallet and free developer API. However, the wallet service, which has long been a benefit limit of Dogecoin holders is soon to sunset, and the Dogecoin community has been alerted for this development via email. So again, this is pretty big news that they're closing this down. Now again, with every bearish news, there's also bullish news, because this could be just enough to get more mainstream attention. Again, it got us reading the article, right? So whether you're big in the Doge community or not, whether you got the email or not, now we're reading about it, we're talking about it, and that's all we need for this meme coin. We need lots of mainstream attention, lots of coverage for this project to see this project succeed. Again, I'm very bullish on what's going on with Dogecoin. I'm super excited to see what comes next for Dogecoin. I think this bull run, we could definitely see Dogecoin hit that $1 mark. Let me know your price predictions in the comment section below. Also, if you want to load up a bag on DogeVerse, I'm going to link that in the comment section and the description, so make sure you load up a bag. But like always, not financial advice, always do your own research and due diligence. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.